evening, everybody. Thank you for coming to Chloe's birthday party. 19 years ago, my prayer request to have a baby girl was answered through the intercession of Mama Mary. That's why, obviously, I named her Mary, Mary Chloe. Time went by fast, and she is now a grown up lady. Chloe, I know you wanted to celebrate your 18th birthday last year, but COVID did not permit and responsible on your studies and focus on your goals. Dad, mom, and kuya will always be here to guide and support you as you conquer your dreams. May God bless you with all the necessary graces that you need to face life's challenges. God bless you. I love you, Chloe.
Are you gonna say something or?
Oh. Hi, Mom. I think you have been there for me even when I've been difficult, and I think I might cry, but good thing I have tissue. So you've been there for me for ever since I was born because you were mother and you gave birth to me. Yun pala. And even if it's hard to be with me, you were still, ayun, you still chose to be with me even after 19 years of me being makulit on some levels harder than it should be. So thank you. That,
My turn?
yun na.
Okay. Can we cut the music? Baka ako naman ang maiyak. Okay. So, good evening. My name is Dylan Laksamana. Okay. Let me start. I have three messages, no? So, let me start with a message to the guests, no? First of all, to Team Manalang, led by my favorite mother-in-law. Where's Mama Gita? My favorite mother-in-law. Hi, Mom. Favorite. Alam ko naman po, wala po kayong choice. Ako po yung favorite niyo, friend pong son-in-law. And then, dito po sa table na ito, kasama po yung buong pamilya ng mga kapatid ng wife ko, si Judy. I-roll call po natin sila isa-isa. We start with Daddy Car. Where's Daddy Car? Taas po na kamay, si Daddy Car. Lumabas si Daddy Car, nag-yossi. Okay? And then, followed by Daddy Green. Tamang-tama, naka-green si Daddy Green. Okay? Daddy Green, okay, from Green Hills. Unfortunately, wala po ngayon si Daddy Nick. Pero yung representative po niya yung anak niya. Okay, palakpakan po natin si Daddy Nick. Okay? And to round up the family ng Team Manalang, si Daddy Jap. Wala ho si Daddy Jap ngayon dahil obviously nasa Japan po siya. Okay? Susunod naman po ang Team Laksamana. Okay? Led by my favorite mother, si Net Laksamana. Palakpakan po natin siya. Lakasan niyo po ang palakpak. Okay? At siya po ay walang choice dahil ako po ang paborita niyang anak na lalaki. Okay? Kasama po niya ang aking nakababatang kapatid na si Ate Bupi Laksamana. Kasama po niya yung kanyang pamilya. Okay? So that's the second table. Ang third table naman po ang aming kasama sa pagpapalaki kay Judy, ang kanyang mga godparents. Okay? Kay Chloe. Sabi ko ba, Judy? Mali ang narinig niyo lahat. Ang sinabi ko, Chloe. Okay? De. Ang godparents po niya, palakpakan naman po natin yung mga godparents na sa table 3. Okay? Ang pinakamalakas na palakpak po para sa mga high school and college friends at saka mga gamer friends ni Chloe. Okay? Ito ho ang tatandaan nyo. Hindi ho yung venue, hindi yung pagkain, hindi yung mga prizes ang importante. Ang importante po, ang presence ninyong lahat. Okay? So palakpakan po tayo. Palakpakan po natin yon. Okay? Ngayon, ito ho ang tatandaan nyo. Nabanggit ho ni Chloe sa akin, ngayong araw, 25% daw ng nasa kwartong ito ay nag-aral sa pinakamagaling na eskwela sa Pilipinas. Okay? Yun po ay nasa 2401 Taft Avenue, Malate, Manila. So, go Lasal! So, nagtataka po ba kayo kung bakit ako naka-green ngayon? Okay? Okay, so yun. And then, yung aking pong next message is for Kuya Kobe. Okay? For Kuya Kobe, ang plano ho namin mga 2 decades, 3 decades, 4 decades, 4 decades at most, will stay and then we'll move to the next chapter in our lives, no? So please take care of your baby sister and always have Steve's back, okay? And last but not the least to Chloe, nakita niyo naman po yung recording kanina sa SDE. Uulitin ko lang naman po yun. Basically, Chloe is still 18 years old today. Okay? In 3 days' time, she will be 2 days' time, you'll be celebrating your 19th birthday. Okay? So, like I said in the video, don't be in a hurry to grow up, to get married. Okay? But if you do get married, it would be good to experience the life of having a life gift of having a child, and you will also experience paying for the debut such as this one. Okay, my final message to you, Chloe, is like I said, strike a balance and always stick to what is fair. Happy birthday, daughter.
Thank you to my one and only favorite dad. So, thank you for, well, you weren't always, well, you were working. That's why you weren't always as present as mom in helping raise me. Of course, you were the reason why we have a house and a car and all that. So, I guess you funded the raising of me. And
Well, you forgot to travel. You should mention the travel also.
you funded the travel, the tuition, the debut, the car, the house, the other investments, anyway. But in the spare time that you had, you always spent time to try and teach me kuya lessons we can't learn in school. So for example, how to deal with people, how to arrange people in ways that they won't start arguing with each other in an event, and how to like go through life in a way you wished you could have, like you're trying to put onto us the things that you've learned so that we don't make some mistakes that you've made or some mistakes that will be extremely detrimental to us. So it's as if you don't have time for hobbies anymore because all you do is work, sleep, then teach us stuff, and then go to sleep again. So thank you for taking what little time you have in your schedule to spend it with us instead. Happy birthday, Dad.
Happy birthday, Mom.